Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer Water Sign. This is November weekly reading from November 9 to November 15th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer. Messages for Cancer. A lot of readings getting this card. Seven of Swords. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini here. Under the deck, the Lovers, High Priestess, Eight of Pentacles, and King of Wands with the Devil. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn. I think you have some fears regarding this person or regarding this relationship or regarding some area of your life, Cancer. And you want to be on your power and you want to take care of yourself and you want to focusing on your career here. And for some secrets hidden in this connection. Maybe there are some trust issues between you and your person. And you have very strong emotions towards this person. Cancer. So let's say we're reading. Recent past, Seven of Swords, Ace of Wands and Page of Swords. Maybe they did something wrong to you. Maybe they neglected you. Maybe they played games with you. Lot of spying is going in recent past. This is on and off connection. Yes. Then present Queen of Pentacles, Two of Cups and Seven of Pentacles. The love is mutual between you and your person. I think you're still waiting for their call or for their text if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, you're still waiting for them, or you want to take this relationship to next level. But it is not happening the way you want, Cancer. Because judgment, future judgment, Ten of Wands and the world. So the burden is on your shoulder. You only the person always taking care of this relationship. This person is not taking any responsibility, is not investing any energy in this relationship. That's why it is becoming one-sided. That's why you want to make some decision regarding this relationship, and some cycles are going to be end very soon. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I am seeing you are in the process of decision making here. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So under the deck, Two of Cups. So yeah, love is there and it is mutual. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. So let's see their intentions also. Under the deck, Ten of Cups. Five of Swords, the Hermit, and the High Priestess. Maybe you're dealing with Virgo here. So definitely they're hiding something from you. Right now your person going through some transformation. Lots of you're in no contact situation right now, and lot of drama. Maybe they backstabbed on you. Maybe your person is already married with other person. Maybe they have some other person in their life. And kids also involved in this relationship, Cancer. So the current feelings, 8 of Cups, 3 of Cups, and Page of Swords. Sorry, Page of Pentacles. So they wanna text you. I think in recent past they walked away from this relationship because they didn't want to take responsibility. That's why they walked away. But now they again want to communicate with you. They again want this celebration with you. I think this person is a party type. Always they will come when they want and they will go when they want. That type of situation, always in and out of your life. And their intentions, 4 of Wands, 2 of Wands, and the Empress. Maybe the woman in this connection could be pregnant here. So they want this celebration. Lots of you are in twin flame journey, and they have to make some decision here because 2 of Wands, and lots of you are in long distance relationship. Yeah, there is text is coming. So after walking away, they are wanting you back again. But be careful. Maybe this person is a player. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. They did hurt you, now they again. But I am not seeing any commitment or anything stable here. Yeah, King of Pentacles with 3 of Wands. So they want some positive growth. And they are ready to offer stability here, but again they are taking their time. They are not in a rush to offer commitment here. That's why they are waiting here for you take first move towards them. Yeah, they are right now isolated from all and taking care of themselves, or they thinking about everything in detail. Lots of you are in no contact here. Maybe you are dealing with Gemini. 10 of Pentacles. You want stability, you want marriage. You are also on your power. You are waiting for them. You want stability, you want marriage, but you are not going to make any move. They have to make a move. Yes, you are holding back here. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Maybe your person is a player always in and out of your life. They know how to play games with other persons. Yeah, marriage is involved in this connection, or commitment could be the issue here. So they are ready to offer equal give and take, but you are holding back. Clearly you are holding back because you still have strong emotions, but you are tired right now. You don't have any energy to proceed, or you don't want to invest anything in this relationship. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Cancer. Age difference. For some, you both have age differences here. And free yourself, and I'm just not ready yet. That's why you're holding back. So let's say some messages from your from Moon Oracle deck for you. Cancer. A time to give rather than take, New Moon Virgo. Conclusions are within reach, full moon, eclipse. Adjustments are required, third quarter moon. For some, even though after reconciliation, there are some adjustments are required here. Third quarter moon. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.